Good morning, guys. So today's video is going to be more of a vlog style video because the issue that we are facing today is a real life issue. I got no sleep last night. I feel exhausted. I look exhausted and I have somewhere to be. So I'm going to be taking you with me as I get ready, and I'll be showing you all the tips that I have to make myself look more awake than I am feeling right now. So I'm about to jump in the shower, but first I need some coffee in my life. Taken a shower, feeling a little bit better, a little bit more awake, and now it's time for the prep work. Okay, so prep work is extremely important because one of the first signs that you're tired is your skin just doesn't look as vibrant as normal. And so the prep work is going to really help to put the moisture back into your skin and to help give you your glow back. Get your glow back. So I'm going to start off with just some facial spray. So it's just water. It's got a really good mister on there too. And then I'm going to be putting on some facial oil. So any facial oil will do. So I'm just going to rub that into the face. Now, I don't know about you guys, but the first sign that I didn't get any sleep is I get really puffy and my face just looks really like swollen. So for that, I use this is the Nurse Jamie titanium roller, but I also use the just a regular jade roller. I use both of them. These are great to support lymphatic drainage so that it reduces the appearance of puffiness and just helps to energize the skin, firm the skin, just bring some circulation back to it, give it a little bit more life. And both of them are naturally cold, so it feels really good. But if you really want to up the game, keep them in your refrigerator or your skincare fridge like I just got. I'm so excited about. And that will just take it to the next level. So now I'm just going to go in with the jade roller. So I like this one because it has the two sides. You can use the bigger size just as I used the Nurse Jamie one, but then it has the small one that I love to get right underneath the eye. And you can get these anywhere and you don't need both of them. I don't know why I have to. Don't ask. But you don't need both. You can get these, especially these jade rollers, you can get them anywhere and you can get them really cheap too. And putting the oil on before you do this helps the oil to soak in better and it helps the tool to glide on your face easier. Okay, then an eye cream is crucial. So my favorite eye creams to use when I'm feeling really tired is an illuminating eye cream, or a really good one is an eye cream that has caffeine in it that will help with any puffiness and any eye bags that you have. So just some of my favorite ones is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It, the Algenist Complete Eye Balm, and then No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. So all of those are really good, but today I'm going to just use the Tula one because I love that it's in a stick and it's just super easy to use. So I'm just going to glide this on. Also, keeping your eye creams in the refrigerator. It's just a beautiful thing. Highly recommend it. Now, if you have a lot of time, I recommend doing a face mask or like eye mask, but that's not our situation today. So we're not going to be doing that, but if you do that, that will really help to waken up your skin. So next tip is to use eye drops. So the ones I'm going to be using are the Lumify ones. These are so good. It just helps to brighten the eyes and get rid of any redness. All right, so that's all I'm going to be doing for prep work. Now I'm just going to go do my makeup and I will show you some tips on how to make yourself look awake with makeup. So, all right, so makeup time. Now the first tip that I can give you is to not go in with a full coverage foundation. And I know that might be like the first thing that you want to do, but a lot of times when you're tired and your skin is dehydrated and there can be dry patches and you go in with a full coverage foundation, it can make it look worse because it might look good in photos, but in natural light, it's not the same thing. So I just use the Elta MD facial sunscreen. So it's tinted, so it acts as if it is like a BB cream. Okay, so then it's good to use a luminizing primer. So we want anything, if you haven't noticed the trend, we want anything luminizing on the face when you're tired. That's just gonna help make the skin look more refreshed, like we actually got some sleep. It's gonna help to liven up like any dull skin. And then the priming factors of it is gonna help smooth out the skin and give you a nice canvas for the rest of your makeup. All right, then next tip is concealer. And then we're gonna like do the triangle shape and we're gonna bring it up a little bit. So this is just going to give the appearance of a facelift. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and blend, like as you're blending it out, just bring it down. Okay, so my next tips have all to do with the eyes because the eyes are very important when you're trying to appear more awake. So we're gonna use 3 different liners to make our eyes look more awake. So we're gonna do black on the top, brown on the bottom, and then a nude in the waterline. So you don't want to use black on top and bottom. That's going to make your eyes appear smaller. And sometimes when you're just lining the top or the bottom alone, it can also make your eyes look smaller. So we're going for big, bright, awake eyes. So I'm not actually going to line my entire upper lid, just the corner too. All right, then I'm going to use a brown pencil for the bottom. And then I'll be taking a nude liner on the waterline. Okay, so I only did one eye so you can see the difference. This eye just looks bigger and more awake. So now I'm just gonna do that on the other side. Okay, so still on the eyes, my next tip is to curl your eyelashes. They're gonna make your eyes look so much more awake. It just makes your eyes appear bigger. So you wanna make sure that you're getting it at the base of the eyelash though. Also, a heated eyelash curler or just heating it up with your blow dryer is gonna help to keep your curl. And then my next tip to brighten up the eye even more is to use either a concealer stick or like this is specifically, it's called the Brilliant Eye Brightener and it's from Thrive Cosmetics. But to use it in your inner corner and your brow bone, just really highlight and open up the eyes. And then the arch of your brow too. Okay, so next, to tie the whole look together, I'm going to be using a lip and cheek stain. So I'm going to be using just the Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion Dew. And it is a liquid product, so we're just going to be dabbing it on the center of our cheeks and blending outwards. So this is just going to give a little bit of color to your cheeks. It makes your skin look more flush, more awake, more alive. And then you can just take a beauty blender to just further blend that out. And then I'm going to use that same color on my lips. Okay, so I am about to walk out the door right now, but I just wanted to get on here and show you the finished look. I think it's looking a lot better than it was this morning. I think I look a lot more awake, even though I don't particularly feel more awake, but no one needs to know that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye. Thank you.